Hey son, hey everyone. Jason from J-Tech Fishing. Yeah, I was still. Sorry, trying to adjust the camera. I am out here in a fishing tournament, saltwater survival series, kayak, walk and wade tournament. Haven't fished out here ever before. I'm on my way to a little island that's sitting on that side. The original area that I was going to go to, they actually closed off that launch point, so I was like, oh, gotta find new ground. So that's where I'm going to now. The weather's probably not going to be in my favor. I'll film as much as I can. Look, here, I'll show you guys. See all that? Oh yeah. Glorious rain clouds. It's like a 70% chance of rain. It was 80%, but it dropped down like a 70%. So I think I'm gonna get about 100% of that 70. So we'll see, and hopefully the footage comes out okay, and hopefully the good Lord takes care of us and doesn't get any lightning strikes or anything. Because if lightning starts striking, we're gonna take ourselves out of the tournament. I don't want to be risking anything like that. But all right, son. Wish me luck. Everybody else, hey, hopefully we'll see what happens. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Or see you in a minute. Okay, guys. Wind picked up tremendously. I was about a little over halfway to the island. And, not sure if you can even hear me talking right now, but, yeah. This stop is, a lot more than I was really planning on dealing with. I turned around. Coming back. Look, see those lights over there? How far I'm going. Oh Lord. I'll tell you. He's done good things for me. We all make it. Stay with it. Yes. We've been stuck in a rainstorm before, anybody. But it's not easy. Right here, gotta stay right with it. Don't let it get don't let yourself get capsized, but you see, it's only supposed to be about a 7-mile-an-hour wind, but you know how it gets when the rains pick up. It gets a lot worse sometimes. So, there we go. Pretty good swells going on right now. Okay guys, at this point I went ahead and silenced out all the background noise. I figured I'd just dub over. As you can see, as the wind is blowing, the swells are starting to get higher and higher. You see water just going over the bow. The wind was picking up really hard. There's a lot of wind noise. You couldn't hardly hear what I was saying. As you can tell on the earlier part of this, the closer I got to the truck, the swells just got higher. I mean, it felt like it was about a 3-foot swell. And the Bonafide's a great kayak. It's hard to flip, but I wasn't wanting to try to test it any more than what I already was. And you can see is the amount of movement that I'm going through. The camera eventually fell off of my head and landed in the kayak. And fortunately, that I got lucky there. But you'll see how those swells are starting to pick up right there. And it started getting worse and worse. I had to turn the bow into the wind just to make sure I wasn't going to flip. And it took me so long to get to the shoreline. And I'll tell you what, having a carbon fiber paddle makes a huge difference. It's just so light, and you're able to continue on. But I'm going to go ahead and stop here, but I'm going to go ahead and let the video play without any audio. Alright. Oh God, I tell you. Guys, never ever do that again. It's a good thing I'm in decent shape, and even then I'm not in that good a shape. I will never, ever, ever attempt that again. Alright, I'm supposed to be over there. See that? Where those guys are at, they're good. Over a quarter mile away from me. That's where my truck is at. The wind started blowing so hard and I had such big waves coming on me. Luckily, I didn't get capsized. I maneuvered it enough to try to stay with the waves. Every time I seen big waves coming, I turned my bow into the waves so it wouldn't roll me. Doing all that just to stay afloat kept me alive, but never ever do that. If you're ever kayaking, don't put yourself through that. It's pretty tough. Fortunately, I didn't fall in. If I would have fallen in, I would have lost a lot of my gear. I didn't have my rods, none of my rods tethered, so I would have lost all my rods. It would have been a lot of money down the drain. I would have lost my paddle because I didn't have my paddle tethered, and I normally do, but I didn't realize it until right now I got to the shore. I'm completely winded. I've been sitting here for a good 5.5 minutes already, just catching my wind, catching my breath. But guys, look, it doesn't look so bad right here, but I don't know if the camera's picking up all that wind noise. Look at my camera, my wind. You see that pelican over there in the back? He's struggling just to glide. Well, it was hard like that out there. And I'll tell you guys, don't make that mistake. It's not an easy thing. I just got really lucky and God is watching out for me. I'm a believer. If you're not, okay, that's fine, I understand. I know it's a will and determination, and I give it part of that. And but the reason I had that will and determination, and I know that I'll keep going, is because He's going to give me the power that I need to get there. And I felt like giving up at a moment out there, and I was like, oh God, please don't let this take me out. Please don't let this be what takes me out. So, and it's come to Jesus moment, guys. I tell you, whew, I'm back. Alright, now we gotta try to get the kayak back to the truck. I might wait it out there, wave it back, we'll see. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright everybody, how y'all doing? You can see the wind, the rain has died down. Here right off I-45, right before Galveston. And I was passing by here earlier, it looked real promising. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna check it out and see what happens. Seen some fish moving. So I figured let's give it a shot. So, see what happens. Ooh. See that? I'm so excited to go fishing. I forgot the measuring board and the flag. Bring you back, guys, in a minute. Just hooked up into one. Just casted it out there, backlashing as it was sitting there. Got this little guy, picked it up. We gotta measure him out and see if he's big enough. See if he at least makes it, so we can at least have something to come in with. 14's what we want. Alright, 14 and a half. That works. Almost 15. Yeah. Say 14 and a half. I gotta go. There we go, we got one. That one counts. Be back in a minute, guys. I guess I had the camera on a while ago when I hooked up. I'm sorry I turned the camera off. Alright, son. We're done. Loading up. Almost finished. Here's the yak. All beat up, full of mud, holes. There's our fish. Didn't do too bad. Just 2 flounder, 1 little red. But hey, it counts. It's something. And it may not be anything, no prize winning or nothing like that. But hey, at least we got the experience. Got out. Look over there. Got that rain coming in again. We ain't sitting out in it this time. Alright, bud. Love you. Everybody else, hey, we'll see you guys later. Bye.